Okay, so Ernie now says, I think I have a shortcut. Instead of graphing the parabola, can't we just rewrite the original inequality as x squared plus x minus 6 less than 0, and then solve the equation x squared plus 6x minus 6, x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. This would give us our boundary points, and then we could test the numbers to find the regions that contain the solutions. So let's try that. I rewrote the original inequality down here. So if we subtract everything from both sides, subtract x squared from both sides, subtract 4x from both sides, and subtract 3 from both sides, we get the inequality that you see written up here. So now what he says is, couldn't we just take this and just write it as an equation and find the values for x that are going to make it 0? In other words, we know how to solve this equation. Let's find the x-intercepts. Well, we do that with factoring. So we would have x plus 3 times x minus 2, and we set each one of those factors equal to 0, and we get the very same two x values that we got in the previous page. So that tells us, all right, well, now we've got our boundary points, just like we did before. We've got our boundary points at -3 and 2, and we could go through the exact same process that we did on the previous slide. And then we're still going to end up with our solution set just being everything between -3 and 2.